Hello, and welcome to Edible Canvas, where today we are going to be... What the? Hold on. What? Found the lights? What's this? What's going on? What happened?
Your kitchen is now within my domain. A witch's curse has been placed. There is only one way to save your space. A witch's brew is required of you. Upon this parchment are the 4 ingredients, which you shall use.
Alright, I guess we're making a witch's brew.
1 bucket from the Well of Tears.
Okay, so I guess I need a bucket. This is a pretty good size. I think that'll fit our bucket's worth. Let me go get some water now. Let's do 2 gallons. What the? Oh. Huh. I guess our bucket's full. I guess I'll take this back.
4 greedy handfuls of cavity dust.
Okay, well, I don't have cavity dust, but maybe sugar? And we'll do about 4 cups.
One vial of bear root.
I don't know what that is, so let's try out our hand in magic and see what that turns up. Oh, okay, root beer extract. That's pretty close, I guess. And it's green? What? When is root beer green? Alright, I guess we'll go with it and just mix it around so that sugar doesn't stick to the bottom. Alright, that's looking pretty good. What's last on our list?
1 chunk of burning ice.
I don't have any burning ice, but let's maybe do dry ice, because that burns. And 1 chunk is about a 4-pound size, so let's go with that. And once you've added your chunk of ice, you probably just want to let it sit and fizz for a while. Now that it's calmed down a bit, let's give it a taste test. Oh, and don't drink dry ice. Oh wow, that is surprisingly good. Part of me was not expecting it to taste like root beer because it turned green. Your brain sees green, and I automatically think that it should taste like a lime popsicle or something. But it's a witch's brew, so anything could happen. This is simple and fun and delicious and something that the whole family can be a part of. If you're looking for something to drink, this is a perfect spooky drink for any occasion. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to get more treats in your pocket and make the world a spookier place.